My name's Lottie Hedges. I'm studying Complementary Therapy Level 3 at East Sussex College, Eastbourne. Complementary therapies, it's quite a big umbrella, so it's mainly like holistic health or therapies that we provide. So it's looking at the body as a whole, and it's just, there's a lot of things that our body can tell us, and that's what we're looking at, rather than going, it's sort of a bit further away from beauty, because we're not focused on like aesthetics. It's more about who you are and how you feel, and what we can derive from that without like medical intervention and stuff like that. It's like a good holistic wholeness that you can focus on. So I was quite nervous. I joined the class slightly late, and I'm a bit older than everyone in my class, so it was quite a big step for me to get back into education, but honestly, it's the best thing I've done. So my tutor is Bev. She's fantastic. She runs her own salon, and she's worked in other salons before. So she teaches us reflexology, aromatherapy, full body massage, like the whole thing. And also we do like quite a big aim on setting up a business, and because she's already running her business, it's quite handy to get an inside feel, because if she has a lot of tips coming straight from source. So yeah, that part of the course is quite good. She's really adaptable in her teaching techniques as well, because I've got additional learning needs. So from handouts to PowerPoints, or straight up teaching us practicals. So she has it all, so Bev's really cool. She's good at what she does. So yeah, outside of the classroom, we have to complete 30 hours of work experience, which we get support with. So they've got a whole list of things that we can do and who to go and see. So that's really good. Again, it's using what we've learnt in class directly then in work experience is really beneficial, because you just carry on using it. I think we finish around June time, depending. I'll spend the rest of the year going and sitting in on the foundation degree in complementary healthcare. So that's what I want to move on to, which is I think a 2-year degree with an additional top up if we wanted to, and that's here as well. So the ladies from the degree came and spoke to us yesterday actually to tell us all about it, and it's having the complementary therapies sets us up to be ahead of everyone else in the degree. So that's really useful to have this easy transition from complementary therapy to then complementary healthcare. So that would be really cool.